Friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of deactivate account on Discord app. To know how to fix or how to solve deactivate account on Discord app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window of Discord. Here you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. And in the end you can turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.